Hello to all of you car enthusiasts. Every single step that I am about to demonstrate for you has been thoroughly verified by a team of professional mechanics. So, don't worry, this can be fixed. Not long ago, a customer came in with that warning message, and the first thing we always check when this happens is the front camera and the lane sensors. Many customers tell us that the car suddenly stopped working and they didn't know if it was something serious. In reality, the vehicle's camera lens frequently becomes obscured by dust, thick mud, or even scattered raindrop, which prevents the onboard system from accurately detecting painted road lines. As one of our workshop technicians explains, if the camera cannot see clearly, the system deactivates itself to avoid any false alerts. On the other hand, many customers have noticed that this error appears primarily at night or during periods of low visibility. At our shop, we've heard comments just like this one. Driving on the highway at night, the message appeared several times. I really thought that my car was broken. Why does this keep happening? No. Have you ever found yourself stopping to wonder why exactly this phenomenon occurs? This happens because the system necessitates optimal lighting conditions and extremely clearly defined lane markings to function. Factors like shadows, heavy snow, or even worn-out paint can cause the system to toggle on or off automatically. Please listen very carefully to the important information I am about to share with you right now. Software also plays an important role. Several customers report after updating Uconnect, the alerts stopped appearing. Jeep has issued bulletins indicating that if the camera or a mirror is replaced, the system needs to be recalibrated, which generally restores its full functionality. We certainly cannot overlook the electrical side of things either. Some customers report that the warning message appears and disappears while they are out driving. When we check it in the shop, we sometimes find loose connectors or interference within the lane assist module. The technician explains that if the signal isn't being transmitted correctly, the entire system will automatically shut down as a necessary safety precaution. To resolve this issue, we begin by thoroughly cleaning both the camera lens and the lane sensors. After that, we connect the diagnostic scanner, inspect the module, and finally perform the full recalibration procedure as specifically recommended by Jeep. If we find that any sensor or the camera unit is damaged, it gets replaced immediately without delay. We certainly don't like to waste any precious time. Just like a very satisfied customer who visited our shop the other day said, and honestly, it really touched me. After a thorough cleaning and the recalibration process, it worked perfectly once again. It was truly incredible.